Good morning. So today's Saturday. We're gonna go do some pulled pork today. We teaming up with Backcountry Recreation to do a little cook, show some people our product. And today we're gonna do pulled pork. So currently waiting for Justin to get ready. So I just figured I'd start the video off properly. You know, just saying hi to all my people out there. So stay tuned. I'm gonna throw this in the cooler and we'll catch you in the car. Alright guys, so we're going to make pulled pork today for Backcountry Recreation. So, take out our pork butt. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to grab the mustard. We're going to use some horseradish mustard today. It's going to give it a little bit of a bite. We're going to give this a nice rundown. Go to the other side. Coat this all the way around. Alright, so what we're going to do next is we're going to layer on the spices. First, SPG. Nope. Oh yeah, I turned it down a little bit.
We were just gonna cook it off. It looks nasty.
Yeah, that's okay.
I hate it when it gets like that. Are you videotaping?
It's okay. You can videotape. You can be on camera if you want.
No, it's okay.
You don't want to be on camera? But you look so fabulous. But we need you!
Oh, it's looking beautiful.
Make sure we get all the edges.
Oh yeah. And now we wait. Yep.
Alright guys, so pulled pork's been on for about 3 hours, so let's take a look. So right now, if you want to come check over here, we're P3, so we're currently sitting at about 150 degrees, 152, give or take. Let's check it out. So, as you can see, fat's starting to caramelize. What we're doing is we're mixing 1 part apple cider vinegar, 1 part apple juice, 1 part water. Helps keep it moist, give it a little bit of a bark with that sugar, and also helps deteriorate the muscle tissue so it pulls a little bit easier. And if you want to check it out down here, we also have some broccoli going with some Rub Down 101 and some butter. So, we shall see you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. So, Justin's finally with us here.
Here we are.
We're in Red Deer, we're at Backcountry Recreation, and we figured we'd start the video off properly, so we'll give this a walk. So, what we're going to do
Looking good, you guys. You need to go, okay? Eat good.
Oh yeah. Robbie, where did these go?
Back there.
Backward. Oh, those are the river part? Yeah. Okay. There's 2 screens that we're buying that probably go on.
The whole thing of that street
That's how it should be. There we go. Good to go, buddy. Alright guys, so finishing off the day, just figured we'd give you a quick outro video. So pulled pork, absolute win. Broccoli, absolute win. Burgers, fucking sent it.
Oh yeah.
Well guys, we're heading home. We got about an hour drive, but just wanted to say we hope that all of you had a good week / a good weekend. And well, Jay, why don't you send us off with a good goodbye?
Thanks for watching, guys, and keep watching our content and give us a like and a follow, guys. All right, we'll see you next time.